Why haven't they made a soundtrack of this yet? Because this is groovy as shit. Hey folks, Blackross here, and welcome back to Ratchet and Clank. So last time we made it to Poketaru, and we went a little bit of exploring, and we made it over here to the optional area, so let's go for it.
Mr. Zircon is here.
That was quick. Okay. What the fuck? Okay, two things. One, I unlocked an extra, which apparently now they're washers instead of bolts. And second, look at Mr. Zircon Jr. What the fuck?
Mr. Zircon is born. Dead alien.
That is just... that is crazy. What was the other one again? Let's see. Yeah, bolt style. Metal. Let's see how that looks. Okay, that's actually pretty cool.
One little, two little, dead little aliens. 4 little, 5 little, dead little aliens.
Looks like coins. Oh, and they got Ratchet's head on there. Okay. That's interesting. Little things like that that make the game more replayable.
Mr. Zircon? Mr. Zircon is here to kill.
Yay, we got a new Hello card. Let's see. There we go.
Mr. Zircon gives you a
Excuse me, guys. Uh-oh. Yep, I should have known you'd be here.
Oh boy, out of ammo.
Mr. Zircon has returned with a vengeance.
Please die, please die, please die, please die. Oh.
Report in with your status.
Clank and I are on Poketaru. We just stopped Drek from siphoning the planet's water supply.
You went without me? I mean, that's fine. It's okay. It's time for us to assault Drek Industies and put an end to the Blarg's treachery.
Copy that.
Yep, we'll be there shortly. And by shortly, I mean it could take a while.
Mr. Zircon is born.
Yes, I could figure that, bro. Alrighty. I fooled around enough. Alright. So now we're on to the next planet. But first, restock. And an upgrade. That should be good enough. Alright then. On to the next planet.
Let's pick a new planet.
Look, team.
Drek Industries is up ahead. Let's move.
Just making certain that there ain't nothing back here. Okay, we're good. Still gotta look for some more, holo cards. Whoa! That was close. Damn. Yeah. Pollution. Bad for ya.
Follow me.
Bad for this planet, too.
Check out
Let's
my
see.
inventory. I got the best deals in the galaxy. Probably.
My favorite weapon, next to the Rhino.
I would
of all the games. The Buzz Blade, and I don't have enough to get it. Damn it!
Enemies up ahead. I'll cover you.
Ooh! It's up! There we go. Whoa! Hello!
Enemy down! I'll hit the switch. Wait here.
Fair enough. We can wait.
Versa bridge activated.
Try crossing now. Careful. Guards up ahead.
We'll just blast our way.
Back. Heads up! We got some flyers!
Flyers where? There we go. Whew!
Two left!
Where? Oh, up there.
Last one! Not bad for a rookie.
Ma'am, I have been past rookie. You just wouldn't shut up.
Looks pretty secure. Any ideas on a point of entry?
Ratchet, the last time I was here, I used the air purification vents to escape. Perhaps we could now use them to get into the factory.
Good thinking, Clank.
Mr. Zircon is
Ooh. Did I get it? That I didn't. There we go.
Any ideas?
I believe I may be of assistance here.
Look,
Alrighty.
over there. Be careful
Move in.
there, Clank.
Oh
In
wow.
Rangers,
Yeah,
I
this
am
this
inside
this
Drek
could be new.
Industies ventilation system.
I see
Good work.
a rhino card.
I wish I was in that vent with you. Curse these abnormally large muscles.
There's a security
I see
terminal
it.
just north of your position. Shut it down. And
I
the Rangers
want
should
it.
Be able to access the building.
There's not a bomb anywhere. Just damn you. Just damn you.
Here we are. Overtime career opportunities. Please state your current position. Assistant to evil villain. It's the defect. What are you doing back here?
There must be a way through this room.
There we go. You got away. Alright then. Let's go ahead and power this thing up. And it looks like we gotta power up the other one. Or, we gotta do this. Alrighty. Taking a lot of thinking here. Yeah. Okay. I knew it. Okay, it does have something.
Attention, all
It makes it
warlords.
easier.
A bug in your system settings has been discovered.
Ooh, I
You
see
should
how
never
this
add
works.
flowers to your battery packs. You should add power. Please see your nearest engineer for a software upgrade. Engineers, mandatory typing classes have now been ordered by Chairman Drek.
There we go. Yay. I got a holo card pack. You had to figure something out. To think they had a bomb. It works. Alright. to place a bomb right there. Not exactly a safe spot.
All done.
Turn back now, Defect! I'm warning you! Special delivery for
That's the best you got. Okay, anything else that I need to do? I don't see anything, so I guess I have to proceed onward. I see what I need to do.
Oh my, that looks dangerous.
It does, doesn't it?
your way out of this one!
Alright.
Sister boy, do not fail me now.
Everything going okay, pal?
I am almost there.
I keep forgetting about
But I
that
run
little
into an
thing.
obstacle. Drek's assistant Zed is attempting to keep me from reaching the security terminal.
Better grab that. No,
Understood.
it would close it.
Dolores, carpet bomb the factory with pyrocytic blast mines.
I think it's probably safer if we let Clank handle things.
I would prefer that as well.
Let's see. Open door. Said open door. Really? That's not how it works. Okay, what do I do? What do I do? Oh, I think I got it. I got it. Okay. The time sequence. Weird. Clever, but weird.
Attention, all warbots. Chairman Drek would like to thank you for your hard work. Ice cream
Whoa!
sandwiches will be served in the cafeteria this afternoon from 1:10 to 1:15 p.m. Also, a friendly reminder that there
There
is
we
a mandatory meeting for all warbots from 1 to 1:30 on Deck B. Any warbots not attending will be destroyed.
You're not so tough now, tough guy!
Okay, so question. How do I get in there? I mean, clearly I see what I have to do, but getting inside there, I don't know. Is there a way in there? There's gotta be. Unless I'm missing something. Would not surprise me if I was missing something. Nope, those aren't unlocked. Okay, so, I need to think now.
Attention, all warbots. Warbot Platoon 774 has successfully completed training and is ready for action. Congratulations. Now go out there and ruin someone's day.
Let me check again real quickly. Nope, there's nothing there. Okay, I don't quite understand. What do I do?
I must create a stable surface.
What if-
before I can activate that power receptor by the lava.
What if... Just gotta catch up with that thing now. And then... Can I... Okay, yeah, I can. Weird, but I'm up for it. Whoopsie. There we go.
Robots are supposed to be simple soldiers. Who upgraded you?
Alright. So how much further before I get completely stuck?
Okay, you wanna fight? How about fighting a real warbot?
Wait, a real warbot? Oh, lovely.
Wait until Victor sees that I've captured you. Then I'll be top henchman. Maybe he can spend all day stacking crates.
Ah, shit. Nanotech. Oh gosh, two of you.
What, two? You're not so tough now, tough guy. This isn't fair. I can't compete with this.
Not bad for a defect.
That was a little bit tricky right there. That was a little bit tricky. Alright. Oh, I gotta use bomb again. Alright, let's try this again. Can't be far now, right?
There's certainly nothing you can do about this crate blocking your way into the security room. I'd just give up if I were you.
I'll figure it out. You just
Perhaps
gotta
that
give me a
magnet
sec.
can be of assistance.
Okay, so I gotta get me one of those bouncy bounce.
Coming out of my paycheck.
Okay, now I gotta figure out how to get up there.
I don't like the look of that magnet over there. Magnets. Just can't trust them.
Oh, okay, I see it. I see it now. Just had to take a sec. Okay. I think I can get that one just by doing the same thing. If I'm not mistaken. So let's grab you real quickly.
I'm gonna lose my job for this mess. What are you doing? Are you using that magnet? Everything in here is the property of Drek Industies. What you're doing is, well, rude. Us coming over to your lair and taking over your magnet?
Okay, yeah, I gotta...
You're getting too close. Computer, dial Chairman Drek.
Dialing Chairman Drek.
Greetings. You've reached the voicemail box of Chairman Alonzo Drek. I'm away from my boat right now.
There we go.
Probably in a
So
meeting.
in other words, I gotta get that
Perhaps
one.
during the future
Alright, fair
conference.
enough.
Anywho, leave a message at the beep. Unless it's bad news. The next person who brings me bad news goes straight into the lava pit.
Hey, Chairman Drek. It's Ed, calling for, no reason. Everything's fine. I'm totally not cowering inside a shipping crate or anything. In fact, I was just calling to assure you that there is nothing to worry about. Security is, secure. So, bye.
Meanwhile, he's like, I'm fucked, aren't I? Bye-bye.
Hey, let me down.
Nope. Sorry.
Heed my warning, Warbot. You and that terminal are the property of Drek Industies. Don't you dare execute that command. You executed it. Well, don't even think about double-clicking on the security icon and bypassing our systems. You did it again! I don't believe this.
Come in, team. I have disengaged the facility's security grid.
Good work, pal. See you back at the factory tarmac.
Yep.
Nice work, little
Door
boy.
is finally disabled.
You did well,
That took
Clank.
forever.
Yeah, wait, what are we talking about? I zoned out for a second.
All right, Drek.
Well, that's not good. We got Zircons.
I hope you enjoy your tour, my
That takes care of them.
passengers. I've even arranged a demonstration of the good doctor's latest model.
Toasted.
So the question is, how tough is this next part? Someone tells me I might want to fix and go ahead and end the episode.
Office is up there.
Oh my. This assembly line is the place of my creation. I am experiencing many conflicting feelings.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to, well, I don't know. Let's see what we can do. Can I get? Yes, I can.
Regret it.
Now then, Buzzsaw, time to upgrade.
Oh, wicked. Now you're almost too powerful. Nice one. Buzz blades are a personal favorite of mine.
Mine too! Oh, I finally got my favorite weapon. I cannot wait to use this. Okay, I'm gonna have to end the episode, unfortunately, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, this is Black Cross signing off. For the next episode, we get to use the buzzsaw. See you then.